Inhale, sweep both feet to the right, sit back and bring your right foot to the outside of your left thigh. Exhale, bring your left elbow outside your right knee and place your right fingertips behind you on the mat. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your right shoulder back. Take one more deep breath in. Exhale, come back to center. Place your hands behind you on the mat and spin all the way round to the other side. Bring your right elbow outside your left knee and place your left fingertips behind you. Inhale, sit up tall. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, draw your left shoulder back. Take one more deep breath in. And exhale, come back to center and release the pose.